Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D, and I am back with another video. Y'all, this video, I'm just going to do a really quick intro. This video is a video diary of my skincare that I have on hand and have not really used. I'm doing this, twofold, to show you what I got, and two, to show myself what I got so that I can quit buying them. Don't buy any more skincare because you got it at home. Don't need any more skincare during this low buy year. If you don't know, I am doing a low buy all year long. And on this low buy, I have a certain amount of money I can spend. So far, it is March and your girl is doing fantastic. I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, I need to stop shopping so much and use what I got. So that's the videos you're going to see on my channel this year, by the way. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. On to the video. All right, y'all, here I am. I'm going to be inventorying my skincare. I have it in these Chester drawers. One is a 3 drawer, one's a 4 drawer. And I've already gone through this because I already recorded this video, but the angles were off and I didn't like it, so let's do it again. I'm doing this inventory to let myself know, I don't need any more skincare. Okay, let's get into it. So in the first 3 drawer chest I have, and in this top drawer, I'm slide it open, I have some storage back here, and then 2 things. This is the Bum Cream shower gel, and this is a large one of the Bum creams for your bum moisturizer. Also in this drawer, I did have these honey body wash. Making a noise. This is the honey body wash and the lotion. I also have the coconut one, which I did finish, but I didn't really like. So I'll be giving these away either to my daughter or one of my daughters or my niece. All right, in this drawer, this is just a drawer full of the Even Skin Turmeric Beauty Bars from Ancient Cosmetics. All of us girls in this house and my daughter who lives outside the house, we all use this either for our face or our body. So I tried to buy these in bulk. I got these for I got 10 for, I can't remember, but it was a reasonable deal. So whoever gives me the most reasonable deal, that's where I'm going to get my turmeric bars from. So that's what this drawer is full of. Okay, now to the bottom drawer in this section. This first thing is the Dry Skin Green Apple and Aloe Refresh Toner. I will put clips in here so you'll know what's inside of these, because none of these have been opened. Also in here I have the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I really like this. This one here is from Freck Beauty. It's called the Cactus Water, also a toner. Another thing I have in here is from Fenty Skin. Which way is right? Fenty Skin. This is their melting cleanser for taking off your makeup. This is Isntree. This is a K-Beauty brand I found on Amazon. This is a hyaluronic acid toner plus. In here I also have 2 cleansing balms from Vanilla. This is the Clean It Zero Balms. This is the original, and this one is Nourishing. Cleansing oils are also in here. I have this mini one of the from DHC. I have this cleansing balm from a K-Beauty brand off Amazon. Let's see. Also have another cleansing balm from, cleansing balm from Juno Skin. This is the Clean 10 cleansing balm. And this one, this is from Peach and Lily. This is the Lazy Day all-in-one moisture pads. This is for when you've had a long day and you just, you know you gotta wash your face, but you just don't feel like it. This is an all-in-one cleansing balm that will, cleansing pads that'll get you through it. I have a lot of items like that. Some spray-on serum, some spray-on lotion, that type of thing. This is the Bioderma moisturizing makeup removing micelle solution. So that's what that is. Ooh, I have a cleansing balm from Elf. I definitely don't need any other cleansing balms, and my girls don't wear makeup like that. So yeah, there's another cleansing balm. This is the oat cleansing balm from the Inky List. Yeah, I definitely don't need them all. And this is a cleanser from Fresh. It's the soy face cleanser. We got 2 more things in here. The Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. And finally, this is the Bioderma cleansing oil as well. So as you can see, and I can see, so I better not even try it, I have enough of these. All right, we're going to the next section. That's it in that one. So now we're going to the next set of drawers. Hopefully you can still see. If not, I'll just lift them up. All right, these are mostly like skincare, like moisturizers. So I'll show you the things I've taken out already to put into rotation. This is the Catrice antioxidant induced serum, so I'll be using that. I also have the Keys, Alicia Keys, her Soul Care Let Me Glow illuminating serum. I also have the Glow Recipe. This is a mini watermelon glow non-menacide dewdrops. And lastly, I have this from Bare Minerals. This is the Ageless Phytoretinol Neck Cream. So those will be put into the rotation. Now everything else is, you know, got to get used up. This first thing, this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have a few things from The Ordinary. Let me just pull all those out. All right, these from The Ordinary. This is their hyaluronic acid. This is their plant-derived squalene. This is the caffeine solution for the eyes. I already have 3 things out for my eyes, so I do not need that. And this is their lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Okay. I do have one thing from Inky List. This is their retinol cream. Then I have the Farsali liquid glass radiance. This is Ren Skincare. This is their silicone free skin finishing serum. I have another eye cream. This is from Dr. Jart. This is the Ceramidin eye cream. Also have, from Shangrin soap and salve. This is their whipped squalene. You can use this for your face and under your eyes. And the last 2 things in here, I have the Clarins Total Lift eye cream and the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So that is it in this drawer. As you can see, and I can see, don't need anything else. I need to use these up before I even think about something else or give them away or something. Oh wait a minute, did I forget something? Oh, I forgot one. This is the Ordinary. This is the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. What's this? Lord. Oh, sure did. This is the Rose. This is from Fresh. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. All right, that is it. I mean, even if I don't use these up, I don't need anything else right now. Oh, also, I also have this from Inculus. This is their polyglutamic acid serum. I really like that because the polyglutamic serum is similar to the hyaluronic acid. It gives moisture. And I also have this one from them. This is the SPF that I also use as a primer. I love this stuff. So that's in that drawer. In this drawer I have some SPF. This is a K-Beauty brand I found on Amazon that I really like. Oh Lord. I also have this super serum from Oil of Olay. Have this glassy skin balm from Touch and Soul. This is an eye cream from Lancome. It's their Energy Divide, the water infused cream. Here's another SPF. This is from Say. This is their sun visor. It's a broad spectrum SPF 35 sunscreen, radiant moisturizer. Hey, how was school? Good. All right. This is another SPF by K-Beauty brand I found on Amazon. It is Relief Sun with rice and probiotics, SPF 50. This is another moisturizer from Oil of Olay, and it has sunscreen as well. This is the Microsculpting Cream with sunscreen. Also have from Say Chew. This is their Occlusive for intense overnight moisture. It's just a moisturizer. I also have this little magic. Oh, pardon me. I have this Magic Beauty Balm from Honest. You can use all over any place you have something dry, feeling dry. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is a night serum and a luxury face oil. And this is from Mora. This is a coconut honey facial milk. I think that's it. Oh, wait a minute. Something feels like it's still back here. Oops. Yeah. Okay, this is the Mario Badescu. This is a neck cream, but I don't use this for a neck cream. I use this on my hands because I like the serum. I mean, it's very moisturizing for my dry hands, so that's what I use that for. And this is from Strictvictin. This is a Advanced Tightening Neck Cream Plus. I think this is just a sample because this is small. That drawer goes way back there. All right. This is from Peach and Lily. This is a matcha pudding antioxidant cream. Make sure I got everything because it's way big. All right, that's everything. That is everything in this drawer. All right, moving to the third drawer in this section. Hopefully you can see it all. All right, first thing we got down here is, this is a aromatic aloe vera gel. I use this on the times where I, go across my face, get all that peach fuzz off and the mustache. So I use this for doing that. I also have 2 lip masks. One is from CosRx and this one is from Laneige for my dry lips. Also have from CosRx, this is their Snail 92 all-in-one cream. And this is from Glow Recipe. It has 2 products in here, the Strawberry Smooth Serum and the Strawberry Smooth Blur Drops. So that's what's in that one. I also have another mask. This is from Oil of Olay. I need to try this. This is all mask, no mess. It says Glow Boost with white charcoal. Pull this out so you can see what's in here. Two things in here that I do have. This is for removing hair off your face. They are both from, this is Nair, the Prep and Smooth Face Hair Remover, and this is Nads, a facial hair remover cream. So that's what those are for, because yeah, I need it. Got another aloe vera gel. This one's moisturizing for your skin, or sometimes my daughter likes to put it on her scalp. Okay, also have in here this Retinol by Robonda. This is a hand treatment with SPF. Got this off of Amazon. Also on here I have these Carpe products that absorb sweat. I have one for face and one for your breast area. And I have this sample or deluxe size for Peach and Lily Body. This is their KP Bump Boss Microderm Body Scrub. And the last things I have in here are like some soaps. I either got from companies, like this is turmeric honey soap. This is a soap that smells like romance. Something, just soaps that I got from TJ Maxx too. So that's everything in this drawer. All right, now we're going to the last drawer down here, and I'm pretty sure this is mostly, I don't know. Let's just go through it. I got these multitask collection from the WEI, I guess. These are face masks. They let me see. Have one for one's a purifying mud rat mask. Brown sugar is a ready glow exfoliating mask. Then we have an anti-wrinkle cream mask. That's what's in here. From Copper Cream, this is a radiance mask. This is from Dermalogica. It's a mini it's a daily exfoliant. I have the mini side, and it says it's instantly smooth and brightens dull skin. All right, now let's see what we got here. We got a pomegranate mask, Dr. Jart Pure Pore Reflecting Exfoliator, and this is Perlise. This is a Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and exfoliate. Pull this out, see what's in here. Okay, this is a Hava. This is a hydration cream mask. This is a Elemis. This is a superfood vital veggie mask. It's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. How do I say this? This is a Dr. Brand. This is for pores. And I have this. This is pore tightening. This is dried out. I'm gonna throw that away. And then just some sheet masks and stuff in here. I'm just gonna leave those alone. Put those back. That's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.